A cordial greeting. Today is Wednesday, July 3, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. The intensity of Hurricane Beryl will be crucial over the next 72 hours. A stronger hurricane could take a more northerly path, increasing long-term risk for Texas, while a weaker hurricane could move more westward and eventually reach Tamaulipas. I would like to talk about the longer-term forecast, especially for residents of Texas and Tamaulipas, to understand what will happen with Hurricane Beryl. Look at the medium and long-term projections when the hurricane is over the Gulf of Mexico. There is great uncertainty because some models with a weaker system maintain a more westerly trajectory, eventually reaching parts of Tamaulipas in about 5 days. However, other models show a stronger hurricane moving more north-northwest, eventually reaching areas of eastern and southern Texas, which is also a possibility. Therefore, Texas and Tamaulipas residents need to wait a bit to get a better consensus, and it is important to stay tuned to the National Hurricane Center's updates later this week and early next week to see some possible scenarios. For example, the American GFS model projects a stronger hurricane over the Gulf of Mexico, leading to a trajectory over southern Texas, possibly as a Category 1 or Category 2 hurricane. Under this projection, the center of circulation is expected to arrive in Texas between Sunday and Monday. Additionally, the European model projection with a more southerly trajectory over the Yucatan Peninsula suggests that the center of circulation will move over Tamaulipas during the night on Sunday and early Monday morning, possibly as a Category 1 hurricane. Clearly, we see little consensus in the medium and long term between the two best models, so we must wait to see what happens over the next 72 hours. The stronger the hurricane, the higher the risk for Texas. The weaker it is, the higher the risk for Tamaulipas. These scenarios are clearly seen in the ensemble members of the GFS model. The weaker hurricane members eventually take it to northern Tamaulipas, while others with a stronger hurricane have a trajectory over southern and southeastern Texas. The same applies to the European model members, with a stronger system more north over northern Tamaulipas or southern Texas, while the weaker members move westward to Tamaulipas. Well, that's all for the update on the dangerous Hurricane Beryl.